All right, so we're going to take a look around at this property because they're not always crap. Sometimes we actually get a decent one. Roof looks like it's in good shape. HVAC's good. Power pole's in the right place. Haven't found the septic yet, but don't really care as long as it works. It's a nice big house in not too bad a condition. So let's go take a look. This one's already cleaned out. The bank does the work for us on this one. And of course I just locked myself out. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. Look at this. It's a decent house. It's got the Miranda windows. You think it's a Miranda home? I don't know. It's concrete block. Who else puts the windows that low? Got a nice big dining room there. Huge living room. More dining room, nook, office. I don't know. It's pretty cool though. Let's go take a look over here. See what we got. Got bedroom over here. Not a bad size. Little closet. And we got a bathroom here. Hall closet, a linen closet. You don't see that very often these days. Another bedroom here. Not too bad. Kind of a weird place to put the HVAC thermostat. Maybe not. The air handler's right there. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Oh wait, there's another bedroom over here. Check this out. So we're at 3 so far. They're all about the same size. I don't know, I'm gonna guess like 12 by 12. All got ceiling fans. Ooh, I saw a missing light bulb. Somebody's gonna be in trouble. Gotta report that. That's preservation. Somebody stick their finger in there and get electrocuted. We all get sued. Don't need none of that. Oop, there's another missing light bulb. Good. And of course, all these are open. I did this because I have to verify that everything's been cleaned out and emptied. Got a nice pantry, missing the door. We got a nice crack in the floor, not too bad. I can't stick a quarter in it. So let's go back this way. We got the garage in here, and it is dark as can be in here without this door open. And there's the HVAC and water heater. Good deal. Let's see what else we got over here. Got a nice laundry room. It's inside. Cool. And a large bedroom. Wow. Big old walk-in closet. I wonder who built this house. It's a pretty nice layout. And then we got the main bathroom here. Cover the toilet with plastic wrap so nobody uses it. The house has been winterized, which basically means they drain the lines and put antifreeze in it. So yeah, it's not all crappy crap. Sometimes I get some decent stuff, and this one should be able to go on the market fairly quickly. So let's hope for the best on this one. Somebody's gonna get themselves a nice home that doesn't need a whole lot of work. All right, we'll see you on the next one.